Our mission here at Exponential Impact, we're about the best entrepreneurs humanly possible. We want to come alongside at different seasons of their lives because I think, entrepreneurs made or are they trained? I think it's a little bit of both. But wherever they are, we want them to be the best humanly possible. And we'd like this to be a hub of a special energy in Colorado Springs with both our emerging technology track and our Survive and Thrive program. This can be a hub for a special energy and care we have in our community for each other. And so we encourage everybody to get involved and to know about Exponential Impact.
The road to entrepreneurship is one only few travel. Join me as I explore what it takes to risk it all and follow your dreams. To find out what happens when you face your greatest fears in hopes of achieving the life you've always dreamed of. To appreciate the journey and truly embrace what we learn along the way. On the road to Rise. To watch now, say Comcast Rise into your Xfinity voice remote.
At Pinnacle Advanced Primary Care, we're leading family medicine to new heights, delivering cost-effective care without the need for insurance, co-pays, or deductibles. Members benefit from strong doctor-patient relationships, convenient access to care, and cost-effective treatment options. Begin your health confidence journey with Pinnacle. Get back in the driver's seat of your health and wellness, and join our practice today.
Space business, an unlimited frontier, abundant in resources, limitless potential. At UCCS, we are in the business of building successful futures in space. Our graduate certificate and MBA in Space Cyber Enterprise Management will launch your career in the space sector. You will find your path at UCCS. Start your future in space cyber today.
Hello and welcome to the U.S. Bank Small Business Services presentation. Today I will be introducing you to Talic, the point of sale software provided by U.S. Bank for small business owners. And I'm going to be your speaker today. My name is Matt Jones. I work directly with Talic as a project analyst with their post-live services team. And what the post-live services team does specifically is work with active business owners who are utilizing the Talic point of sale. So just to kind of give you insights into what my day-to-day looks like, it can cover a wide variety of things. I would say I wear many hats, one of which could be an educator, another could be an advocate, and another could be a trainer. In terms of small business needs, what does that mean? That can mean helping business owners better understand features within the Talic point of sale system, helping them through the process, or maybe their business is in the process of growing, so they're implementing new hardware or like an upgraded software feature. So I can help guide them through that process so they're not kind of out there on their own figuring out everything by themselves. My personal favorite hat to wear is going to be the small business advocate hat, which means, of course, as a software solution, we're constantly working to grow and develop new features and better kind of meet the needs of small business owners, but we can't do that without their feedback. So love getting in conversations about small businesses, what they're doing, what they need, what it looks like on their end, and then sharing that feedback with our product development team to get that on our roadmap. But additionally, outside of my day-to-day role, I'm with the Southern Colorado Development Network Board. What that means is we provide professional development skills, opportunities for networking for our colleagues here at U.S. Bank in Southern Colorado. But my favorite thing is actually getting involved in the community, volunteering. So we've done many things and partnered with many local organizations, everything from cooking meals for families at the Ronald McDonald House here, and even getting our hands a little dirty, helping repair and mend trails with Friends of the Peak. Outside of work, I really enjoy getting outdoors, taking advantage and really of all the trails and activities we have, regardless of what season it is. So whether it's on our feet hiking or riding our bikes or skiing down a mountain. Always excited to get outdoors and explore more areas of this beautiful place we call home. But going over our call today, just want to kind of let you know what we're going to be discussing. So in case maybe where you're at right now with your business, these might be some areas of interest or things you're thinking about or considering moving forward in. So we'll be covering the payment tools and solutions that we provide through Talik, talking about Talik Mobile, the mobile app, Talik Terminal, the all-in-one kind of handheld solution, Talik Register, the more traditional point of sale system, and then going through the different plans we have. Because at Talik, we're not a one-size-fits-all. We have a variety of different solutions and products that help scale and meet the needs of businesses depending on where they are in their individual business journey. But to talk more specifically about Talik, if you're not familiar with Talik or you're just learning about it today, that's great. Talik, as the name says, is actually an ancient Maya word that means someone who listens to the needs of others, which I would say fits pretty closely and aligns very well with my personal ethos, but also my day-to-day work. We wouldn't be able to do what we do for the business owners if we weren't very good at listening to what their needs are. That really helps us and our team kind of set a foundation of understanding where a business owner is at, what they're trying to do to help kind of connect those dots or help them kind of realize or utilize and maximize the features and functionalities within the Talik software. I do want to kind of talk a little bit more just to provide some more context and insights into kind of what our team here at Talik does with small business owners. I would say since I've been here at Talik for 3 years, I've developed relationships and met business owners all over North America that are in a variety of different, I would say, states and segments of their journey. Everything from business owners who are like still getting started and waiting for permitting, to people who've been running businesses for decades and who are just like looking to better understand how to put a modern point of sale system into their business and not have it change their day-to-days and their routines too much without making them feel kind of lost and without a direction along the way. One thing that we've done recently is Talik is actually doing a website update. So I'm sure we've all been there in other situations where we've logged into a website one day and it's looked completely different than it did the day before. And then we're stressed, struggling, trying to figure out how to get to all the places we were usually going to the previous days and months and years. And so what we here at Talik done, and specifically the team I'm on, is we've proactively reached out to customers to help kind of walk them through in a sense of a demo of what the new website will look like, so we can ask questions in terms of saying like, hey, like what features on the website do you use day in and day out? And then helping them see where they can find that and get familiar with using that on the new website. But yeah, most importantly, I would say Talik is really a software that helps businesses grow no matter kind of where their long-term vision is, but meet them at where they're at in this moment and help them along the way as they go through on that journey. So just to get started in terms of, finding a solution that might be the right fit for you, we'll get started talking about what I would consider more like basic and getting started steps of that business journey in terms of all the way up to something very complex. But just wanted to share it with everybody here on the call today. We accept all major credit and debit cards. So that's like Visa, MasterCard, Discover, American Express. We're also able to help you collect payments via the contactless payment method. So that's like Apple Pay, Google Pay, and Samsung Pay. But even moving like further on, I mean, we can allow for payments anywhere from online ordering, curbside and pickup, delivery, appointment booking, invoicing, e-gift cards, loyalty programs, and much, much more. So we can fit a variety of different business needs through our offerings. But just to get started, we're going to start talking about Talik Mobile. So, as it implies, it's going to be an app-based software on your phone. So regardless if you have Apple or Android, that's going to be in your app store. And all you'll need to do additionally is just pair a Bluetooth card reader. So super good for a business that really just needs to accept payments, doesn't need a lot of additional hardware, just to really keep it as simple as possible. So, I mean, you can use this at the counter of your business, or if you're out in the field or at a farmer's market, whatever you need to know, wherever you need to go, you've got a way to accept and receive payment. And as you can see on the screen, you can see what our credit card processing rates and fees are going to be looking like. So all of that is very transparent, very, I would say, upfront. You can find that information online through US Bank and having conversations with like local branch business bankers. And then moving up this ladder, I would go to our next step, which is going to be the Talech terminal. I would say the biggest difference between using the Talech mobile solution and the Talech terminal is with Talech terminal, this is going to give you more of a sense of a full scale point of sale functionality, but still that like made easy, carry as you go feeling, because you've now got a built-in card reader. So you no longer have like that external Bluetooth card reader. You've got a built-in card reader. You've got a receipt printer. You can also connect to the network either over Wi-Fi. So if this is going to be like maybe staying in a storefront, you can just stick with a Wi-Fi connection. But if you are someone who is constantly on the go, going to different locations, it does have 4G connection capability. Continuing on in our product offering, we've got the Talech Register. So you can see here on the screen, Talech Register is going to be down there in the bottom left corner, whereas the Talech Terminal is up there in the top right. Key things I would call out with the Talech Register, this is going to be more of the, what I would call like a desktop stationary device. It would be possible to move this around. I wouldn't really recommend trying to disconnect and reconnect this on a day-to-day basis. It is possible, but most businesses looking to implement this hardware are going to be businesses that need to create orders, apply discounts, manage their inventory, and just view sales with just a few taps on the screen. The nice thing is with all of our software that all of this data you're collecting is going to be stored in the cloud. So you don't necessarily have to be directly physically at your business or in your business to be able to see these reports. All of that data is collected in the cloud. So as long as you've got a phone or a laptop or you're at your home office, you can sign in and get like an up-to-the-minute report on what's happening. So this helps you no matter what industry you're in, whether you're running a restaurant, retail operation, salon, spa, or even a mobile business. We've got a variety of hardware and software tiers that will help you. So to talk more about the different plans that help you, succeed at whatever price point you're looking for that best fits your budget, we've got everything from starter, standard, and premium. So if we're gonna, start talking about starter, I would say think about like a boutique shop, small businesses such as coffee shops, bakeries, cafes. The reason a business might be looking more at a starter plan than maybe Talech mobile on like your mobile phone or that handheld terminal would be you need to start really doing more like inventory tracking, having more staff to be able to allow them to sign in with like their own profile. And also collecting like automated reports. So maybe you need like daily, weekly, or monthly reports. For businesses that maybe need to take it a step higher and move to our standard plan, I would think of this as more small retail brick and mortar shops, quick service restaurants. Key feature for standard accounts is going to be the ability for employees to clock in and clock out so that you as a manager or owner could start tracking timesheets and calculating labor costs. Now, if you're going to be a business and maybe the scope of a full dining restaurant, multiple locations, in a full service business, premium plan is going to be super helpful. For retail, this is talking about being able to track your inventory so that you can do stock takes, get inventory alerts when you're running low on something. Regardless of whether you're retail, restaurant, or service, we can provide you an online ordering site. Additionally, if you have like a large product inventory, or maybe you're a restaurant with like a large menu, we have an internal team here at Talech that can actually help you with uploading those product inventory lists from your suppliers, or helping you upload and create like those modifiers and exclusions if you're a restaurant. And more specifically, most of our businesses that sign up for starter, standard, and premium, they're all going to be rolled into our onboarding program, which is that initial training and setup. So that isn't more of don't think of onboarding, I would say, as like the implementation like technician who's like running cords and wires. This is like someone like myself who's a dedicated representative from Talech to work with you to understand what your needs are, what you need this system to do for your business, and to be able to unlock that potential of giving you that education and training and being that guide to make sure you understand how to go from like A to B, and making sure that not only you but your staff feel comfortable and confident putting in this new like hardware and software solutions, so like nobody feels like they're walking into this situation not knowing like how to use the system once customers are standing right in front of them. But other than that, um, just want to say, you know, for me as someone who's been working at Talic, I think it's a great way to really help your business grow. I think the fact that we offer a variety of different hardware solutions, a variety of different software packages, because I know talking to some business owners, they only need certain things. They don't want to be overwhelmed by like too many features that are at the end of the day distracting or not going to be useful for them. And I really enjoy what I do here, especially working with business owners who are past that initial onboarding stage, to where they're now been using Talic for anywhere from only a few weeks to multiple years. And it's really exciting being able to, you know, be here at Talic, where my role isn't like you won't be able to call me 24/7, but we set up more of like scheduled appointments, to where I can really take a deep, you know, dive into what you're using Talic for, a deep understanding of how you need it to implement your business. But yeah, no, I'm just would be more than happy to connect with anyone here in Colorado Springs that is either currently using software for point of sale or is thinking about heading in that direction. I would be more than happy to schedule time for either myself or one of my colleagues in business banking. And also feel free to reach out to us at any branch location to collect more information. And all the information provided in this presentation is also available through US Bank online. So feel free to do additional research or information. But other than that, just want to say I'm looking forward to partnering with you all, whether it's with US Bank through the Talic solution, or maybe with you and your organizations here in Colorado Springs through our development network. But I'm looking forward to seeing you all in the community. Thank you again for your time. My name is Matt Jones. My email is here on the screen. So like I said, feel free to reach out with any questions, concerns, or just to start a conversation. And I really do appreciate you attending our presentation today, and we'll talk to you soon. Bye.